Alrighty, so this is just going to be a quick little overview of the Connect and Learn, and then if anybody's here for this, you can come over to the booth and have a hands-on experience with it. So I am Heather Maydak, Director of Westminster Technologies. So we're just going to get right on into it. So the Connect and Learn is a complete assistive technology kit for low vision students. It comes with everything you need, including a backpack to carry it all in. So it's a Windows Surface Pro touchscreen, and you can choose from SuperNova Magnifier or SuperNova Magnifier and Speech. It also comes with Easy Reader Premium, which I'll talk about here in a little bit, a Whiteboard Wizard, which I'll talk about, and a 2-year upgrade program included with it. It comes with a tablet stand, a digital video magnifier, as well as a low vision keyboard and mouse. Both are wireless, a USB-C hub, and everything fits directly into that backpack, which zips completely open flat, so you can quickly and easily get everything back into that, with tons of space for all of the rest of their educational curriculum and binders. So if we think about the SuperNova Magnifier, it does have a touchscreen magnification capabilities, as well as using keyboard shortcuts and the mouse control. It has text smoothing in combination with true fonts, which helps increase the readability when you're magnifying. It has 8 different magnification views to really help customize the preferences for viewing enlarged text, including things like it has full screen, fixed window, a magnifying glass, a resizing glass, and then split screen, which can be top, bottom, left, or right. Features such as automatic tracking. There's 200 built-in different high contrast mouse pointers, and you can create your own. It also has a focus highlight to help ensure focus of the mouse or cursor, so you're not losing your place with that magnification. It also allows for hooked areas. It's another display option. So think about capturing a portion of the screen and always keeping that in view. So if they're working with spreadsheets, for example, that can be really daunting, trying to magnify, see everything, so they could actually keep certain fields or formulas or like that top line in focus at all times while they're working throughout that program. With the touchscreen magnification with that Windows Surface Pro, you do have the capability to add multiple monitors to really help support and increase productivity and accessibility there with things like span mode, side-by-side for multitasking. There's a clone mode as well as a presentation mode. So your typical multi-monitor capabilities. You also have added mouse buffering, and it really helps then the user to keep track of that mouse location when switching between the different monitors. So if we look at the magnifier with speech capabilities, so everything I just talked about with that magnifier, and that was just some of the features of the magnifier, right? Those are some of the main ones. All of those are included in the magnifier in speech. So there are a lot of different natural sounding voices. You can do your typical adjusting volume, speed, pitch. There's a scan and read capability. You have a mouse hover reading capability. You have cursor location reading, as well as character echo, key describe mode, a document reader, and a line view. You can also then do the Connect in View, which uses the digital video camera, a CCTV magnification option, or the built-in camera on the Surface Pro. You can then use gesturing on the touchscreen to quickly magnify what you're looking at on any of those devices that you've connected to it. It does come with a digital video magnifier camera in the kit. So you can just magnify whatever you have in front of you, including the board in front of you. Okay. So it also comes with the premium version of Easy Reader. And this is an app that allows for easy access to Bookshare books, RNIB Bookshare education collection, as well as other accessible library services and course materials that you can then use within Easy Reader. They can download them. They can use all the built-in high contrast visual magnification and speech, so text-to-speech screen reader capabilities within the Easy Reader program. So they can quickly just organize all of their materials within that Easy Reader. The Whiteboard Wizard is a free download, and this is for teachers. So if they don't want to use the camera that's built into the Surface Pro or their document camera, they can access Whiteboard Wizard. The teachers would use this free option to improve access, to directly share their screen, the whiteboard, what's going on in the interactive whiteboard, to the students' Surface Pro, so they can magnify, change the contrast, even use the speech capabilities if you get the magnifier and speech. And then with the package, you have access to the free learning zone. So all kinds of online learnings broken up to really teach you all aspects of using the software with the technology. For the professionals, there's course assessments, certificates of completion, as well as digital badges that you can earn. And then there's a whole separate component for the professional learning for the end users. So, hands-on demo version of the Connect and Learn is in our booth 312. So if you're interested, you can come on over and have a look at it and experience the different components. Welcome. So, and I'm not sure if there's any questions, but you can ask them now or come on over to our booth.